Uh, Hello everyone. Today we are going to announce a very interesting thing कि हम एक 10 days का चैलेंज लेने वाले हैं और वो 10 days का चैलेंज क्या होगा 10 days arrays challenge. Okay, and here we are going to learn more than 50 array question per day in 10 days और 5 एरे की कोडिंग क्वेश्चंस हम डेली बेसिस पे सॉल्व करने वाले। तो सबसे पहली बात तो हम ये जितने भी एरे चैलेंज है जो इनको जो जो भी लेगा तो आज हमारा एरेज 10 डेज चैलेंज का फर्स्ट डे है और इसमें सबसे पहले तो हम देखने वाले हैं दैट व्हाट इज द नीड ऑफ एरे, व्हाट इज एरे एंड हाउ एरे इज वेरी यूजफुल इन आवर कोडिंग। तो सबसे जो बेसिक डेटा स्ट्रक्चर होता है वो एरे। तो सबसे पहले तो हम देख लेते हैं कि एक नॉर्मल डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स होते क्या हैं। तो डेटा स्ट्रक्चर जनरली दो प्रकार के होते हैं, नॉन लीनियर डेटा स्ट्रक्चर एंड लीनियर डेटा स्ट्रक्चर। तो एरे जो है ना हमारा वो क्या है, नॉन लीनियर डेटा स्ट्रक्चर। एंड व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय नॉन लीनियर डेटा स्ट्रक्चर? दैट इट स्टोर मेमोरी इन द लीनियर फॉर्म। सो इस टाइप से ये हमारा जो एरे है वो मेमोरी को स्टोर करता है और इसमें डिफरेंट डिफरेंट तरह के ब्लॉक्स होते हैं। जो एक एरे का साइज होता है उस उतने ब्लॉक होते हैं और उसमें हम लोग कोई भी जो वैल्यू है वो डाल सकते हैं। सो ये होमोजीनियस होगा। सो suppose this is our memory, so and we needed to store 10 element and we are declaring any array with the 10 length. So it is going to happen like this, and all the variable and all the memory allocation should be in the homogeneous form. So we are having the continuous memory allocation in array. तो सबसे पहली बात तो ये है कि इसमें जो मेमोरी एलोकेशन है वो कंटिन्यूअस फॉर्म में होता है। तो वी कैन एक्सेस एनी एलिमेंट बाय इट्स इंडेक्स। यहाँ पे इंडेक्सिंग प्रॉपर्टी भी फॉलो होती है, वो सारी चीजें हम देखेंगे। लेकिन सबसे पहली बात आती है कि वाई एरे, कि एरे की नीड क्यों हुई। बिकॉज वी आर we are having different kind of things just like variable. We can use variable for storing values, but then why array? So suppose you can take a scenario in which we are having three values, okay, and we needed to find the greatest element between these three. So we can find out it by using some calculation, okay. And now we are having multiple values, suppose 10. So still we can use variable for this thing, you know. But if we needed to store thousand, hundred or thousand variables, then we can't give the thousand name because it will be very hard to manage those all the variables. So here array will help us. How we can see that? See, suppose we needed to store 100 variable or 100 integer variable or character or boolean or any all, okay. We need to store these kind of variables, so we can go for array element. As we have discussed that array store the memory in the continuous form, so it will be very useful to storing an array because we don't need to handle different kind of names. Suppose this is a block of 5 element, so we can give a name by suppose a. We are giving this name, so a is reference to that all the array elements. So if we want to access any suppose third element, then we are going to follow this property of a of 2. So it is going to return the third value or third element, because in array we follow zero based indexing. Okay, so if we want to get third element, then we need to follow the zero based indexing. So this is how we can access any kind of array element by using index. But if we are having 5 variables, then we need to remember, suppose this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D and E. So if we want D, okay, then we need what we need to do, we need to know the name of that particular variable. So here array is very beautiful property, and with the use of array we can perform a different kind of operation. So here now we are going to see how many kind of operation can be uh, how many kind of operations. So first is the printing, searching, sorting, reverse operation, we can say the sum of variables of the elements, and so many all. It is not having any kind of limit. If you want to strong your data structures and algorithm, then first you need to have the basic knowledge and the basic strong knowledge about arrays. So first, today in today's lecture we are going to see that how to print an array. So for following these series, you need to have the basic knowledge about data structure, algorithm, and the basic C language knowledge or Java. You can prefer both, because there is no any kind of changes in this type of thing. So let's see in our screen. So we are going to take a print.java, and here we are going to print an array, and we are going to know that how to print an array. So uh, public class Java. This is main method. Here we are declaring an array. Is And here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it is 5. Okay. And now we need to print this error. Okay. Now we are going to make print function print public static void print. Actually, my compiler is very slow, so that's why it is creating problem. Int arr for int equals to 0. I should be less than arr dot length I plus plus. Okay, fine, beautiful. And here system, we can follow system out arr of I. So this is how we can print the element. Static. And now we will save it and then run it. So see. Mhm. So yeah, here you can see that we have get 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 5, 4, 5, and this is our array element. So it is printing in next line. So if we don't want this, so we can simply use print function. So it will not add the next line print, and one more space between it. Sorry, yeah, fine. Now you can see here. So this is how 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is how to print an array. For printing an array, we must know that if we want to get access of any kind of element in array, so we need to follow the zero base indexing. So we are using iteration loop with 0 to array's length. So here we are initialized I equals to 0, and I should be less than length. So in 4 should be less than 5, so we will get this is the loop condition, and we are performing the increment operator, which will increment the value of I. So first we are printing 0, then 1, then 3, then 4 and 5. Then this is how we are printing any element. So that's all for today. I am going to share the link in description box of the cheat sheet, so you can access that, and you can follow the 10 days challenge, arrays challenge in this video. And thank you so much.